Hello everyone and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. In today's video I am going to do a apple fruit delight, and what I have here is the fruits that I already cut up. I have apples, watermelon, ginger root, guava, and tangerine. And so I went ahead, I washed my fruits and I cut up. So now here I have is my blender right here that is so ready to blend up these fruits, and also have a container with some water that I'll be pouring in the blender as well. So let's get into it, guys. I already went ahead, I washed my hands, so now I am going to put the fruits in the blender. The smell of the ginger root is so delicious, the smell alone. So that's enough fruit in the blender. So now I'm gonna pour some water in the blender, just halfway in the blender. I'm gonna cover, and now I am gonna start the blending. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is just use my spoon to test to see if everything is fully blended out, and what I'm seeing is really good. Let me bring it up to the camera so you can see. So this is good. I'm now gonna pour into a container that I have here. My container is right here, if you can see, guys, right here. And I'm just gonna pour that there, so that can wait right here until I continue blending the others. So I put more fruits, and guys, this is very delicious. This is a very delicious apple punch, apple fruit punch. Guarantee you will love this if you try it. And the thing about it's easy and it's quick. Put my water, cover my blender, and I pour in the container. And so guys, to be honest, I could have used my juicer, but I honestly love to make juice by blending. To me, the consistency is thicker, and that I love. So I continue to put more fruits, just like that. Then I had my water. I'm gonna get some more water because the water from the container is finished. So I pour more water. The smell of the ginger root, it is so sweet. Take off and I pour in, and this is the last batch. I'm gonna try and see if I could get everything, this last batch, in the blender. Anyone who don't know what is guava, let me show you what is guava. This is guava. It's a seedy fruit. It's a lot of seed in it, seeds in it. It contains a lot of seeds, but it's very nice. I remember growing up in Jamaica, we used to go to the guava walk or the guava bush, and we used to pick guava. When it's green, we would eat it with salt. Oh, I still have some more leaf. We'd eat it with salt, and if it's sweet or if it's ripe, we'll just eat it like that, and it's very delicious. I cannot wait to drink some of this juice. My husband cannot wait. And I now blend. Process continues. Wow guys, I just love to make my natural juice. Honestly, we rarely buy juice in this house because what I do, I just get the fruits and then I just do my blending, or I use the juicer and I juice my stuff. I think it's way healthier than buying the juice. We don't really know what's in those juice, but when we make our own juice, we know what we're drinking. It's really best to do it yourself. And my blending is complete. So guys, as you can see, this is what I got from all my blending. Yes, so what I'm gonna do right now, I moved the blender and all the stuff out of the way because I don't have a lot of space, but here I have my strainer or a sieve. I don't know what you call it, but we call it a strainer. And now I'm gonna use this container and I'm gonna dip it in the juice because I'm gonna strain the juice. So I take this amount just like that and I pour this into the strainer just like that. Guys, I don't know if you're really seeing. Let me check. So let me see if I could put this over further so you all can see. So see guys, let me bring the camera down some more. Perfect. So here is, you know, has the strainer strains the juice. I kind of move the strainer back and forth, you know, to help the juice to come out or to extract from the pulps and all of that. I'm just going to use this container just to gather, you know, the leftover. So I'm just going to use a spoon here just to help, you know, squeeze out. Guys, I'm so sorry for the, you know, the noise in the background. Those are my children. I apologize if they're too loud. To speed up the process, guys, I am just gonna, I know there's still a lot of juice in this, so I'm just gonna put it right there and continue with my straining. So I take the amount and then I just pour into the strainer just like that. I don't know, but I just enjoy doing things the old time way. You know, I don't think I get the same results using the juicer. And I really love my blending. Honestly, I really do. So guys, I'm just gonna continue to do this until I finish with the siphon or straining. So guys, look at all the juice I received from that. The container is empty, so I am going to rinse this container out because, you know, this is not in, I don't have enough space in this container to sweeten the juice. I don't want no spilling, so I'm just gonna rinse this container out, and then I transfer this back to the container, and then you all can see me do the sweetening as well. This, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on the gloves. I'm gonna slip a glove on and squeeze this into the strainer because I'm not wasting anything. We do not waste. Okay, so the next time you see me, I'll be sweetening. So guys, I am through with all my sifting and everything, and now it's time to sweeten the juice. And here I have is 1 cup of organic brown sugar. I'm just gonna pour this into. At this point, I am going to use a spoon just to test to see if the sugar was good enough. I don't like to have my juice very sweet. Tastes good, but it needs some more sugar. So I'm going to add 1 more cup of sugar. And here I have the sugar, guys, and I pour it in. So that's 2 cups of sugar so far. And I'm gonna taste once more in a bit. The smell of the ginger and the taste. It's really good. I'm gonna taste once more. Needs like half cup, so half cup more of sugar. So half cup more of sugar, guys. This will do. Empty that into my juice, and then I stir or mix, and I'm gonna taste again for the last time. So what I like to do, guys, I like to leave some pulp in my juice. As you can see, as I make my juice, I love to leave some pulp. You know, pulp is very good for your body. You know, it helps in your regulatory area. You know what I'm talking about. So now I am going to taste once more, and this juice is ready. It's perfect, guys. I'm telling you, it's really good when you make your own stuff. You know what's in it. So the next time you see me, guys, I am going to present this juice, so do not go nowhere. Just stay right there.